P0118 Code diagnosis. When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. Engine coolant temperature sensor, signal to high. What does error code P0118 mean? P0118 indicates the engine control module (ECM) has seen the ECT sensor output go more than 4.91 volts or less than -40 Celsius for OF. Possible symptoms. The check engine lights and goes into failsafe mode. Starting the engine when engine is warmish or warm, idle RPM immediately is 1200 to 3000 RPM. RPM at idle is irregular. Engine overheating. The engine may have a hard start when it is cold. The engine may run rough and hesitate until it warms up. The engine should run close to normal once it warms up. Note: the symptoms are determined by the manufacturer. Different may vary between manufacturers and vehicles. Possible causes. The electrical signal coming from engine coolant temperature sensor is too high. Wiring and your connections faulty, short circuit. Engine coolant temperature sensor faulty. Mechanical problems in the cooling system. How serious is the P0118 code? The P0118 code will put the engine ECM to go into a fail-safe mode. The engine to run rough or hesitate until the engine warms up to operating temperature. Electrical cooling fans may run continuously. The excessive fuel consumption, carbon, fouling of engine components. Driving a vehicle for an extended time with the vehicle in fail-safe mode may require additional repairs to remove carbon or repair possible ignition problems. How to diagnose. Step 1. A visual inspection to check for any electrical connector, wiring or sensor issues. Step 2. Connect any scan tool and read the codes received. After that, clear the fault codes and retest the vehicle to see if the code comes back. Step 3. Disconnect the ECT sensor and inspect the ECT sensor to see does the resistor's value alter. If readings see that don't change value, then replace the ECT sensor. How to inspect the ECT sensor, please follow us in the next video. Step 4. Fixing all the problems, then need to use a scanner to clear all fault codes and retest the vehicle to see if the code comes back. If the fault code comes back, then please check again all conditions or contact a professional in the automotive industry. How to fix. Possible solutions. Check wiring and connections. Check the cooling system and correct overheating condition, if present. Resetting the fault codes and performing a road test. Repairing or replacing the ECT connector. Repairing or replacing the wiring as necessary. Replacing the ECT with a new sensor. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.